Hello students, I am back. Now today as we are doing multiplication chapter, we have already covered all the rules and properties of multiplication. Now today I am going to teach you that how to multiply a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Alright, so now we are going to place the number first. The number is 729 by 42. We have to multiply. So children, the way we multiply, please focus. First, this is your multiplicand, 729. The second number is your multiplier. Now we have to start multiplying. Our first digit of multiplier, which is 2, will go to ones place to multiply with multiplying 9. 2 nines are 18. Now 18 you cannot write, so it will be carry over. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 will go to tens place. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 sevens are 14. Now we are done with our ones place. So we are not going to see this again, or we are not going to use it again. Now I am removing my carryover, as we are done with the ones place. Now the second digit or tens place of multiplier is 4. Now we will start multiplying by 4. So children, now remember one thing. Before starting with tens place, we will cross this place, or you can put 0 also. Why? Because ones place we are already done. Now the next digit we start from tens place. So we will start writing also from tens place only. 4 nines are 4 will go to ones place first. 4 nines are 36. So 6 will come, 3 will be carry over. Now 4 will go to next place, which is 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 will be here and 1 will be carry over. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Now we are done with both the digits in multiplier. The next step, we are going to add these both the numbers. 8, 5 plus 6, 11. 1 will come, 1 will be carried. 4 plus 1, 5 and 1, 6. Right? 9 plus 1, 10, which 0 will come and 1 will be carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. So, after multiplying 729 by 42, you will get 30,618 as product. Alright, this is your, as we have already done, multiplicand. This is your multiplier. And the answer which you have got after multiplying both the numbers is your product. So this way you will be multiplying a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Alright. Now I am taking the next example. The number is 913 multiplied by 422. Now children, we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by 3-digit. So process will be same. Now in this example, we have a multiplier of 3 digits, right? So we will start from the ones place with multiplier. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. So first you will go to ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place. This is the way we multiply. Now we are done with our ones place. This is done. Now our next digit in multiplier is 2. So before that it will be ones place will be crossed, because we are done with our ones place or first digit in multiplier. So start with the tens place. So 2 will go to first ones out, which is 3. 2 threes are 6. Now 2 will go to tens house. 2 ones are 2. Now 2 will go to hundreds house. 2 nines are 18. Now we are done with our tens place also, right? So this is done, this is done. Now we will take our last digit of the multiplier, which is 4. Now first 4 will go to ones place. Before that, as we are going to start multiplying from hundreds place, so we will start writing the answer from hundreds place. Now these two ones and tens place will be crossed, as we are already done with ones and tens place. So 4 3s are 12. 1 will be carry over. Now 4 will go to tens place. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. Now 4 nines are 36. So now 36, because there is no other number in the multiplicand where we are going to send the carryover. So 36 we will be writing completely. Now no other digit in multiplier, that means we will add. So let's add. 6. 2 plus 6 will be 8. 8 or 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 and 1 carry forward. 8 plus 1, 9 and 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 6, 7, 8 and this is 3. So the product of these two numbers will be 3,85,286. Alright, this is your product. So hope you have understood the multiplication of bigger numbers. Alright. Now I am taking the next topic, estimation in multiplication. Children, I have already taught you the rounding off concept. The other name of rounding off is estimation or estimated product. So we have already done few rules of estimation to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now using those rules we are going to find the product. Alright. So let's take an example. Suppose I have an example. 512 multiplied by 57. So this is your question of multiplication where we have to estimate their product. So estimate the given numbers to the nearest 10. We have to estimate or round it off these numbers to the nearest 10. Now children, let's see some rough work. 512 is the number. Now I have to round it off to the nearest 10. And what was the rule? Rule was when you are rounding off any number to the nearest 10, you will be checking its ones place. This is the ones place of 512, which is 2. Now rule says if the digit at ones place is less than 5, what does it mean? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? And 5 or more than 5. What does it mean? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So less than 5 and these are more than 5. Here we see the digit at ones place is less than 5. When it is less than 5, we round off the whole number to the lower 10. So we can simply see this 12 should be either 10 or 20. This is the lower 10 of 12. This is the higher 10 of 12. So as digit at ones place is less than 5, so it should be 10. That means this 12 will become 10 and 5 will be as it is. That means this 512 will become 510 and the other will be 520. But we will round off to the 510 as digit is lower, as digit is less than 5. So what I am trying to say, if the digit at ones place is less than 5, you will be round off the number to the lower 10. So 512 will become 510. And now we have another number 57. It is greater than 5. Digit at ones place greater than 5. So 57 is more closer to 60. So 60 will come. After writing this, what you will do? You will find their product. So let's find. 0 will multiply by other number will give 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 5 also 0. Now 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6. 6 fives are 30. So what did you get? Your product will be 30,600. This is your answer or product or estimated product, right? This is your estimated product. So hope you have understood the rounding off to the nearest 10. Alright. Now, after learning the rounding off or the estimation to the nearest 10, we will do the rounding off to the nearest 100. Now, I have taken one more example. We have to multiply 597 by 213, but their estimated value to the nearest 100. So, if I estimate 597 to the nearest 100, either 597 should be 500 or 600. But according to rule, if you remember rule, if the digit at tens place is 5 or greater than 5, we round off the number to the higher 100. So it should become 600, and now the next number 213. Here digit at tens place is less than 5. So 213, either it should become 200 or 300. But according to rule and the digit given in the number, it should go or it should be rounded off to the lower 100. So it should become 200. Right? Now we have got the estimated value of both the numbers to the nearest 100. Now we are going to multiply. Children, very simple thing I am going to teach you. You are not going to follow the long method of multiplication in this case when there are zeros in last. Right? What you will do? Very simple. How many zeros in all two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, digits 6 and 2. So, 6 2s are 12. This is your estimated product. This is your estimated product. Alright. This is the answer of the estimated value. Fine. Now, I am taking the next rounding off concept of multiplication. So, the question is, estimate the given numbers to the nearest 1000. Now, this time we are going to round off the given numbers to the nearest 1000 and find their product. So, the numbers are 2147 and 1942. Now, children, remember when we were rounding off to the nearest 10, we were checking the ones place. When we were rounding off to the nearest 100, we were checking the hundreds place. So, when we are rounding off to the nearest 1000, we are going to check the hundreds place, right? So, here we can see in multiplier 9 is given at hundreds place and in multiplicand 1 is given at hundreds place. Now, do some rough work to know the exact rounded off value. So children, when we are talking about in thousands, that means the number will be rounded off to 1000 only. So the number before 2147 or the lower 1000 before 2147 will be only 2000 and the higher 1000 will be 3000. That means either this number will become 2000 or 3000, but it will be decided by the digit at hundreds place. If the digit at hundreds place is less than 5, it will be rounded off to the lower 1000. So it is decided as the digit is 1, it will be rounded off to the lower 1000, which is 2000. These are the rounded off value. Now, another number is 1942. The lower 1000 will be 1000 and the higher 1000 will be 2000. Between these two thousands, this number exists, right? Now, let's check the rule. The digit at hundreds place is greater than 5. The rule says 5 or greater than 5, go to higher 1000. Jump to higher 1000. It is greater than 5, I am jumping to higher 1000. If it is less than 5, jump to lower 1000. This is the rule. So, this number will become now 2000. Now children, I have just told how to multiply when there are 0 wala number in last. So in last there are 3 zeros and 3 zeros. Together they are 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 2s are 4. So what did you get? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. What did you get? 40 lakhs. Answer will be 40 lakhs, right? This is the estimated product. Estimated product. So this is how we round off any number to the nearest thousand. Alright. So children, how you are going to do these questions in the notebook? Now see these steps. Hope you have understood how do we round off. Okay. So number is 213 multiplied by 37. And you have to round off the given number to the nearest 10. So first we will round the rule by rounding off both the numbers to the nearest 10. Yes. So we can see 213 is more closer to 210 and 37 is more closer to 40. Now their product. Their product, how you will find? We will multiply 210 by 40. 0 multiplied by 0. 0 ones are 0. 0 twos are also 0. Now multiply it by 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 0, 0, 4, 8. So your answer will be, you will write like this. So the estimated product is 8400 and this is your answer. This is how you are going to follow in rounding off to the nearest 100 as well as 1000. Fine. So steps will be same, only rules will be changed. So children, I hope you have understood all the concepts given in today's video. Please practice more and more of multiplication question as well as in estimation also. Here you can see I have given you to round off both the numbers to the nearest 10. But sometimes it happens only one number will be given in the question to be rounded off. So sometimes it is given round off the given multiply to the nearest 10 or 100, then find the product. Sometimes it will be given round off the given multiplicand to the nearest 1000 and multiply and find the estimated product. So question will be given in different form. But you need to understand the proper rule of rounding off or estimation. So you will be well versed by doing more and more practice of these sums. So do it and learn this concept in a good way. Fine. So till the time I will meet you again. Till the time stay home and